Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video. So fans of Moja Love's hit TV show Idlozi Lami have praised Usistembi's ability to connect to people who have departed on this earth. You guys, now Usistembi has managed to assist thousands of South Africans to talk and connect to their ancestors on the TV show called Idlozi Lami. You guys, now people have praised the popular spiritual medium for her ability in doing so. Now fans of the show have stated that Usistembi is probably the only person who can solve the case of the late soccer player Senzo Meyiwa, who was gunned down in a house with, of course, the presence of singer Kelly Khumalo and others about a decade ago. People have been saying that the state should hire Usistembi to go to the house to connect with the spirit of the late Senzo Meyiwa, who will detail exactly what happened the night he was tragically killed, and he could possibly expose his real killers, you guys, while others were saying that by doing that they could possibly be putting Usistembi's life in danger from the real killers of Senzo Meyiwa. You guys, anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comments section, guys. These are some of the comments that tweets from Twitter have had to say, and they read as follows. Umbalindlela says, I need the Meyiwa family to consult Usistembi so we can find out who murdered Senzo Meyiwa. #Idlozi Lami. Honestly, they should. I feel like more truth will be unfolded, and then she must be protected at all cost. For her safety, I hope not. Those people who allegedly involved will kill her before the consultation even as. Someone also says the problem is that they will definitely come for her. No amount of protection will be enough for her. And then another one said they will block them not to go to her, or they will hire hitmen to assassinate her. These people are very cruel, straight. This is actually a brilliant idea. I hope they consider it. I was hoping that they would do this a long time ago, but it seems abazange besihluphe noma kunga sewuye uThembi kodwa benze something else nje. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I truly appreciate it, and I will definitely and surely see you in the next video, and may God bless you all. Bye.